warm welcome to our show E4G Talks, an ICKey initiative which promises to get inspiring stories and brilliant speakers on board each episode. I am Shavinder Kaur, the brand head of the show, and we are currently showcasing the spirit of womanhood of our Choose to Challenge series. Today on our show, we have Mrs. Prajakta Dattaraj Sushma Boite, who is a successful entrepreneur, artist, Doordarshan anchor, the President of India, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma Gold Medal awardee, and so many other achievements. Hi, welcome to the show.
Hi, Shavi ma'am. Namaskar. Thank you for having me on the show.
Great. It's so nice to host you. And before we start our discussion, let me acquaint viewers to our guest. Well, she is a multifaceted personality, India radio voice artist, lecturer, consultant, blogger, freelance journalist, to mention a few. And she's been felicitated on numerous platforms to her extraordinary contribution in her work, be it social, academic, political, or environmental fields. She has done masters in environmental botany, MMS marketing, MSc psychotherapy, counseling, and UGC NET for management. Prajakta, there's so much that I read about you. Beautiful, commendable to your achievements. Kudos.
Thank you very much.
She runs her own consultancy for horticulture and marketing advices. She has her own e-commerce platform for art supplies and artificial flowers business known as Amokta. I really like that name, by the way.
Thank you.
She has been conducting online art classes, summer camps, winter carnivals, etc. since April 2020. By far, she has conducted 64 online activities for different art forms. So welcome once again to the show.
Hi, Shavinder ma'am, and thanks once again for giving me this opportunity to connect with you all. And it's really a great pleasure on the platform that I'm able to connect with such a, I'm just 33 years ka bacha. I will not say we are lady already, but the thing is that it is really a great opportunity which, allows me to connect from this E4G platform.
Great. Likewise, we feel really, privileged to host you. So, without wasting any further time, let's start our conversation. And I really want to know, what was your inspiration behind setting up Amokta?
Okay, I'll just go for the name first. Amokta is my maiden's name is Prajakta Dattatray Sushma Boite. That's my mom and dad, and so I go by name Prajakta the Boite till now, even after marriage. And my husband's name is Amol Avinash Tatare. So I wanted to have something joined together. So I took Amol's Amo and my star. So it became Amokta. And actually Amokta had a bit deeper meaning for it because Amokta is something which is not liberated. So it is something, my tagline goes like fulfilling the desire. I have that desire to fulfill, So it goes about it that way. And another thing is that with the spelling, if you see, Amokta means Amod. Amod is happiness, and Ukta is expressed. So by Sanskrit name, Amokta means you're expressing your happiness. So it was a kind of golden opportunity for me to merge these two names and go ahead with it. And as you have already said to others, and as you already know, that prior being to actually army life, I was kind of a social, political, and multifaceted individual who was creating here, there, and everywhere, But what happened was that I used to be engaged in so many fruitful endeavors. And after a while, I was preparing for my civil services. Once it was not successful, then what next was a question in front of me before 1.5 years. So I started with this small venture on just like on the WhatsApp first. And before launching to Amokta, it was like because of lockdown, supplies of MDF for the creative basis, it just took off. So actually what happened was everything else which I was doing was based on the my physical presence in Mumbai. So when I am somewhere with Amol on his posting, where I'll be? I mean, like, if I am army wife, I want to have my own identity. I mean, other than something like army wife, I want to be something, you know. So this gave me, inspiration, and this economic opportunity which came with the COVID. I just took up with it and I just went ahead. So practically, Amokta is a active interface, you can say, where we supply raw materials and for creative artists, customized gifting solutions or options for various organizations in defense as well. So that, you know, the logos and other things which are really secretive, we cannot, they do not have such kind of liberty when they are doing it from other vendors. So they can have you can say ek vishwas hota hai, they can have a faith in me that it is not going to be leaked. So it gave me that opportunity for doing the customized gifting solutions. And also, one more thing I want to mention, that Amokta is not only for me, it is also economic platform for other ladies who are talented artists. Okay, so on my website, I take their products and I even sell them through my Amokta website as well as my Instagram and FB handles.
Beautiful. I mean, from the how you named your, entrepreneurship to how you started. One thing I'll tell you, Prajakta, being army wife, I'm also an army wife. We definitely get lots and lots of opportunities, and thanks to the organization. But at the same time, in the search of identity, we do so many. If there is a will, I'm sure we can do many things. So that didn't
So,
stop. So that didn't stop you, from being, every time getting posted and relocating to other places. So that's really beautiful and very inspiring. And I like the meaning, the Amokta meaning, sharing happiness. It's beautiful. And that's actually, when you share, today I was reading on what is the question of happiness, when your mind, your feelings, and what you talk are in sync, that is called happiness. So that's how things happen, So that's beautiful. So continuing with the same thing, how are you managing, operating a Mukta even when you're relocating again and again?
okay. The basic thing is we have presence on e-platform. So basically it gives you, you can say, a escape zone from all the other foundations of so-called defense restrictions that one should not set up a shop in their place or something like that, because nobody physically is going to come at your place and buy something. So actually what happens is, Amokta I sell through WhatsApp, Instagram and FB, and even from my website. So even I have now tie up with Amazon. So people place order online and I just go ahead with it. Sometimes what happens is, if I have to take a break, if I have to go somewhere, 5 days or something like that, what I just do is I if suppose I'm going for chutti on 1st August to 15 August. So prior to that 15 days, like around on 15 July or so, I'll start posting up that, okay, from 1st August to 15 August, anybody from Amokta platform will not be available. And what happens with Amazon is like simply thing, because they have our items stocked in warehouses. So there is no glitches in the logistic of Amazon. So what happens with that is being taken care by WhatsApp and Insta for this post. So people know that, okay, for after 15 days, she is not going to be available. So let's place order and let's finish it off like that.
Great. Maintaining professionalism. Yeah, maintaining professionalism in any kind of work that we do definitely pays. So that speaks, that you don't keep your customers waiting, you keep them updated about your movements and at the same time, people are able to enjoy your services. That's really nice. So I'm sure every time we start something, be it entrepreneurship or any other thing, there are many hurdles that we face, So is it really beneficial or possible to tap the market or business?
Okay. You're talking about hurdles, right, Shavi ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with hurdles. It was like, It basically starts for any woman, like for any army wife to pakka, but for any entrepreneur, which starts with fetching up the raw materials for cheaper cost. Because if unless and until you fetch those raw materials for cheaper cost, nobody is going to buy from you. Okay, I had to visit Delhi markets, and trust me, I am Mumbaikar. Okay, I'm pakka Mumbaikar. I know everything in Mumbai, but I never knew anything from Delhi. And right now, Delhi is on like my back of hands. Okay, Chandni Chowk mein ye milta hai, Paharganj mein ye milta hai, yahan pe ye milta hai. So it takes a massive amount of research, like online, offline, from India Mart and other things. Okay, how to fetch the raw materials. That was one challenge. Then, of course, fulfilling that customer's requirements. Ki mujhe ye shape chahiye, to that 1 centimeter or even 1 millimeter difference, they are not going to accept it. So you have to put your standards that much. As we ladies, all defense ladies are rather, meant for being perfect. They are already perfectionists. So wo perfectionism, the way I was groomed before and even after in army life, it helped me a lot. So that fulfilling the customer's requirement was one. Then what was there is dispatching and coordinating with people. What happens is on the daily basis, like suppose let's assume 4 or 5 your orders are going. I have a GST number registered, so I am lucky to be partnered with FedEx and delivery as my shipping partners. Properly I have a tie-up with them. So calling them, bhaiya aaj itne parcels hai, please aake utha ke leke jao. You have to take care of each and everything, because till now I do have other ladies who are wives, and other even artists who are officer ladies with me, who are in collaboration. But what happens is they deliver to me their finished product, or from their finished product to dispatch it to the customer. It's a really challenging thing. So that was a one hurdle which I had to come across. Then of course I am purely a science student. So after MBA, I had to know about, say, something like about business, or but about billing transactions and GST and filing returns and everything. That all, Jamila, if you want to, go for a long run, you just don't want to do it as a hobby. You have to take care of everything. So, Shavi ma'am, even I have registered, like first thing which I did was, I designed a complex logo with complex name, which was not available. So luckily, it was my formed name. So I got my website name easily. I got my Insta handle easily. I got my FB handle easily. Everything was easy. But I registered it with IPCs, intellectual property rights. So IPR say I have connected. My TM has already registered fully. So that is like trademark is registered now. So these all things which I had to do was really confusing. And of course, it is beneficial. What happens is in any business, people are looking for something unique. उनको कुछ चाहिए जो अलग है, that you are not going to get it usually. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to take their inspiration, their ideas, and fill up the gap. Okay, so what happens is if you are having some quality products and everything like set, so I think so that's a really great opportunity. And one thing, of course, I mean, I also think that many times, Shavi ma'am, I become very depressed. Ki, there are so many fishes in the ocean. मैं कहाँ पे हूँ? I am nowhere. How am I going to survive? ये होता है मेरे साथ कभी-कभी. मतलब generally होता है. Like I sometimes bug a mole. I sometimes give like shiver by with the anxiety attack. I call my mama. I'm like, Mama, what am I going to do? Where is going to be my future? But then I think that they calm me down. I'm really lucky to have my good family support. Like my husband is good, my mama, papa is good. So like they are the backbones of it. So like they always say that okay, you be unique, and then everything will be sorted out. So that's what I do. So it is 100% beneficial. If your product is good, it is going to sell. So you don't have to worry about it. So it's going to pakka sell, no issues.
Great. Because see, definitely when you have your USP, you're definitely different from others. And your product, which has that kind of quality, no matter how many competitors you have, but your product will speak about your, the excellence in it. So that's really nice. And I like, you're already so established, but you still at times get that jitters, that's so natural. But that really keeps you moving, I guess.
Shavi ma'am, not everybody can really empathize and can really understand and put us in the shoes. Thank you really thank you very much for understanding the feeling which I'm having.
So when I read about bio, I read so many things about you, and I also read that you do vlogging and YouTube. And what is all about, If you want to set up a YouTube channel with your own vlog, what are the requirements? If you could tell me.
Okay, the thing is that actually I have my own YouTube channel. Basically, I have worked on Doordarshan Sahyadri as anchor and actor or for 2007 to 2016, so like almost like 8 to 9 years on live shows, on everything, so it was like a camera and me. So I have done travel shows, I have done cooking shows, I have done interviews, I've done a number of things. So what happened was, this also happened last March. Once it was like my window for UPSC got closed. So I was like, why not? Why not to establish a YouTube channel? Let's do that. First thing which came in the mind that, okay, I am good at, as you know, Shavi ma'am, abhi tak aap dekh hi rahe ho ki meri continuously but chapal chalu hai. So I'm good at doing this. I'm like, I don't know baki ka, but I know that I'm good at talking. Okay. So I'll do that. I will launch my own vlog, and I just launched my vlog on my mama's as a tribute to her, like on his 60th birthday, and I just kept the name like a Praju's Hotshot, because I couldn't just squeeze anything. Like, मैं करूँ क्या? I have done so many things. I love to travel. I do love to do travel blog. I love to do cooking blog. I do love to do any number of things. So I should not limit myself to one thing. So that's why I launched this YouTube channel. And okay, the main thing which you would like to, or anybody would like to consider for the YouTube blogging, is like one basic thing is a concept should be good. Okay, the basic line. Okay, my concept was this, that okay, I want to cover everything. So I wanted to have one channel which is to be expressed, okay? कि मैं कुछ भी बोलूं, मतलब like if suppose sometime I want to recite my poem, or sometime I want to share some thought. So it was my blogging channel. I have not much worked on it yet, but the thing is that I have guided so many people. I have taken, as you had said, that online activities. I have also conducted YouTube blogging and video blogging, webinars for people. So what I can tell you all is, their concept should be good. And second thing is that you should have the good catchy blog name, okay? Then another thing is that your email ID and content, yes, you need to have your engagement, keep on regularly posting the things on it. And of course, the basic requirements are a good collar mic, okay? A good collar mic, you can get the things from Amazon or anywhere. A good collar mic is required, a lighting system is required, and a tripod stand, and of course, a editing software will do. So a good editing software is must. And wherever you are doing it, be sure that light is good, and please look good. See, Shavi ma'am is looking so fabulous, and I'm trying to, but it's okay. So do look good and your blog will rock, I guess.
Great, Prajakta. You have given wonderful tips for the viewers, and this is really in thing and in vogue nowadays because of the lockdown. Something which is shut, and there are many other opportunities which are open now. And the way meticulously you explained to us that, how you should do it's going to be really helpful to the viewer. And again, coming back to your creation, what you talk about your creation. So how art can serve as a platform for creation and earning too? And what are you doing for ladies, and how ladies can approach you?
Okay, that's a really nice question, Shavi ma'am, because it will surely give one of connective link for me to get connected with them, and the artist ladies who are not yet connected with me to connect with me, So the thing is, actually, I have a collaboration with ladies. So what happens is, I have other officers' wives who have their artist platforms for Resin Art, for Decoupage. So a number of things are there. So what happens is they approach me, and I take their artifacts, or we just mention it on my website as well as my Insta handle and FB handle. What happens is, when we get orders, I directly direct it to them. कि okay, I want this thing to be made in this color, and this is the address. So my delivery, as I told you, I am joined with my delivery partners with delivery and FedEx. So what happens is to the person who's like artist officer wife, who wherever she's sitting, the courier guy will go there, pick up that parcel, and direct it to the customer. So I don't have to practically fetch that article and send it across. Then another thing is that we have launched many small gift articles for Tofa and Saheli shops. I have other who are wives, some Veer Naris also, who are connected with me. I give them raw material and I tell them how to direct, like, this thing, this is the specification, yahan pe decorate karke, I want it back. So I give them sample, okay, this is to be done for the bulk order, and then they do it. I even give them their remuneration. So whatever unka jo hota hai, to thode se economically, they become more stable than what they are just as a housewife. And another thing is that what happens is actually nowadays everybody wants a finished product, but which is a unique product and a personalized touch. मतलब everybody wants like कि मेरा चीज उसके जैसा नहीं होना है, मेरे आइडिया के तरीके से होना है. Second thing is that it should be unique. So these are keywords. I've been focusing on them quite a lot now. So what happens is it's a basic requirement for selling it in the market, that your product is supposed to be unique, what is not. And if suppose it is not unique, so whatever is going in the trend, you're supposed to keep up the track with it. You are supposed to take out the reels, you're supposed to take out the videos, post it online, post it on your status, post it on your wall. Because what happens right now is, rather than being offline, because of COVID situation, the entire scenario has turned out. So everything is online. So anybody wants anything, they just type in and just say, they just see ki Insta pe kuch milta hai kya, FB pe kuch milta hai kya, and then they just grab it. So you have to look after those pointers as well. Second thing is that, of course, as you have mentioned, I conduct a lot of online workshops, very cheap online workshops. Let us assume, you can say for others it is like 99 to 199 rupees per person for 2 days or 1 day workshop for learning resin art or basics of the resin art or something like that. Why I do this all things is because I want to get connected with the clientele. So I need that, it's like, and of course for defense personnel, when they want to conduct it for their, ladies or for their organization, the rates are negotiable. So like what happens is my reach, like me, myself and Amukta reaches everywhere. So people get to know, okay, there is something known as Amukta brand and she is amongst us. And we can support her, or at least nothing else happens, at least we know her. ये बात तो हो जाता है, because right now, as you know, that everybody requires marketing, and for marketing you require money. So I don't have money, but I am fetching up myself कि नहीं ठीक है, मैं इसको workshops के through, इसके through, उसके through, I will get the connecting links and I will do it for like very minimal rates, so that I get my clients who are trustworthy and they can get the good products afterwards. So this is what I do. And of course, I hope, Shavi ma'am, this really grows, because I'm telling you, the way I'm supporting right now to like seven ladies, okay, 7 OR wives I'm talking about. So that's like, that I feel thankful ki baba main ghar pe baith ke bhi I am able to, help somebody out. And I'm not only going ahead, I am taking somebody with me. That's like, I feel very blessed in that. I express all the gratitude to the universe, I guess. So this is where it happens.
Great. Prajakta, I must mention one thing. The motto of this show, what we host, is basically for, showcasing your talent as well as doing hand holding for others. And you're doing excellent job, I must say. Hand holding is something that is very much required today. If you will do hand holding for others, I'm sure you will definitely reach where you want to. And God bless you for that. You're doing wonderful job. I am almost towards the end of the program. A last question I want to ask you.
Sorry, ma'am. What happens is we ladies need to stick together. People like all men kind of a thing, they think that sometimes that ladies to kya hai, matlab they pull each other, they just comment and there's all things, they just gossip. Ladies or woman empowerment is more than gossip. Once they held hands, so ek saath mein baith ke, as you just mentioned that it can do wonders, and I am experiencing that wonder in Amukta, at least right now, you know. So let's hope this grows. Yeah, towards your last question, and Shavi ma'am, one more thing I want to appreciate, this was such a lovely time and such a lovely platform for me, you know, to get connected with people. You know, it was just a nice thing, and you conducted so well. You have made me so comfortable. Thanks a lot for that, actually.
Great, great. You are very sweet and kind, and thank you so much. You will definitely be super successful. You are already. So one last question is that, you know, few tips would you like to give your viewers? Anything in the field of art or YouTube, whatever, or in the field of happiness, what is that you want to share?
Okay. My basic tip for everybody is, if you have passion, just if you have passion, आपको अंदर से अगर लग रहा है कि मैं ये चीज कर सकती हूँ, don't let anybody doubt you or your capabilities. Okay. Till you are established, or till you find something, or till you make something, everybody is going to doubt you, but it doesn't matter. If you have passion for it, if you have that will, go for it, you know. And first thing, be yourself motivator. Nobody, trust me, nobody in the world, no husband, no parents, nobody. If so, after some time, nobody is going to come and motivate you, not even a friend. They are going to be there, okay? They all are going to be there as your support system, but you have to motivate yourself whenever you feel down. They are there to, you know, console you. But you cannot be dependent. कभी-कभी ऐसे भी हो जाएगा कि आपकी मम्मा या आपके हस्बैंड बोल देंगे कि आज मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, तुम तुम्हारा देख लो. You know, they won't ever discourage you, but at that time, whenever you will need most, so you have to remember, stand in front of a mirror and just say, you know, that I can do it. I have done this much. I can still do it. I can go ahead with it. And of course, start small. And once it just picks up, take it a notch up. ठीक है? ऐसे डरना नहीं कि मतलब ये फेल हो जाएगा तो क्या, अरे फेल हो जाएगा तो क्या हुआ, मतलब like we are trying, that is the most important thing, you know. It's your identity which is going to be with you. And Shavi ma'am, I will end this with a small note, that is exactly, I basically, even when I went to passport office after marriage, people asked me, you know, that why you're not changing your name. I have just mentioned Prajakta the MS, Prajakta the Bhoite, or Prajakta Dattatreya Sushma Bhoite, and wife of Amol Satare. Like I have mentioned that. And people were like, even in passport office, they were questioning me, ki, why you have not changed your maiden's name. I said, yes, see, this is a gadget. I have changed for a, you know, legal purpose. It is Prajakta Amol Bhoite Satare. But for my documentations, I don't want to change my any name because sare documents change karne padenge, vagara, vagara, vagara. And I just stopped there. But real reason was, you yourself carry your own identity. And your identity is going to be unique. And that is from starting. Your husband adds to it. Okay, so when you are doing your venture, just think what you were. अभी आप सोचोगे कभी कि मैं अभी आके मैं क्या करूं, तो just सोचना कि आप कैसे थे और आप कहाँ पे हो. तो just think yourself, just give your motivation and just pat your back every time, small things पे, achievements पे, and you will surely go ahead, you know. And that's it for the day. And thanks again for having me. And thank you very much, E4G Talks, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Prajakta. I must say one thing. This is one of the very interesting show which I hosted with the most bubbliest possible speaker here with a lot of wisdom in our age that she has expelled and told magical things can happen. And thank you once again, Prajakta, for being part of this interesting women's special series, Choose to Challenge. We wish you to share, if you wish you to share any more stories, please contact me at shadi@e4gtalks.com.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I thank all the viewers. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel E4G Talks. And don't forget to put your views and comments. For more interesting stories, please and stay.
E4D Talks is brought to you by ISECI, Indian Ex-Defence Service Employees Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Thanks to its vast veteran network and global and pan-India associates, ISECI can carry out various commerce facilitations and CSR projects across India and the world. Some of ISECI's core capability areas are Skill India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, any ex-serviceman welfare or job program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan related projects, telemedicine and healthcare training and job scheme, Save Water scheme, defence industry SME, MSME cluster and hub development, maritime training and inland water training with job facilitation, Canada study, job and permanent residency opportunity, e-commerce, Andaman and Nicobar commerce opportunities. ISECI's global reach includes countries like Indonesia, Slovakia, Canada, Nepal, Singapore, Rwanda, USA, UK. Above all, it is ISECI's effort to create a veterans brand made by the veterans, for the veterans and made up of the veterans. Every Indian's support is invaluable in this journey. ISECI is a registered society for ex-servicemen's welfare and envisions that every veteran should be a part of India's economic growth story. It is the aim of ISECI to create an enabling commerce platform that will empower and synergize the veterans' talent pool. This is possible only with the support of entrepreneurs, businesses and consultants from civil society. All proceeds, if any, are utilized for the welfare of ex-servicemen and for public charity.